बायोडाइवर्सिटी एंड कंजर्वेशन, डेट कितना है आज? डेट है 24/7/2024। इससे बाहर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा। ओके। If an alien from a distant galaxy were to visit our planet Earth, the first thing that would amaze and befall him would most probably be the enormous diversity of life that he could encounter। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? अगर कोई भी स्पेसिस डिस्टिंक्ट गैलेक्सी से हमारा पृथ्वी एग्जिस्ट करेगा तो फर्स्ट थिंग नोटिस करेगा अमेज एंड बेफल वुड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द इनोरमस डाइवर्सिटी, जितना ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी ना हमारे पृथ्वी इसकी करेगा, इसी करेगा। ओके। इवन फॉर ह्यूमन द rich diversity of living organism with which they share this planet never cease to astonish and fascinating us. The common man could find it here to believe that there are more than 20,000 species of ant, 3 lakh species of beetle, and 28,000 species of fish, and nearly 20,000 species of ऑर्चिड। बाप रे, अगर कोई कॉमन मैन सुनेगा ना ये बात तो उसको बिलीव नहीं होगा। कौन सी? 20,000 स्पेसीज ऑफ एंट है, 3 लाख स्पेसीज ऑफ बीटल है, 28,000 स्पेसीज ऑफ फिश है, एंड नियरली 20,000 स्पेसीज ऑफ ऑर्चिड भी है। बाप रे बाप। Ecologists and evolutionary biologists have been trying to understand the significance of such diversity by asking important questions. Why are so many species? Did such great diversity exist throughout the Earth history? Yes. How did this diversification come about? How and why is diversity important to the biosphere? Would it function any differently if the diversity was less? How do humans benefit from such from diversity of life? Okay. Biodiversity in our biosphere immune diversity or heterogeneity exists not only at the species level but all level of biological organism ranging from micromolecules, सबसे छोटा जो होता है micromolecules within the cell to biomes। बाप रे बाप। यहाँ पे क्या इन आवर बायोस्फीयर में इम्यून्स बायोडाइवर्सिटी होता है, मतलब हेट्रोजेनिटी मतलब दूसरा भी होता है बहुत सारा। एग्जिस्ट नॉट ओनली द स्पेसीज लेवल, स्पेसीज लेवल पे बायोडाइवर्सिटी नहीं होता, ऑल लेवल ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स में होता, ऑल लेवल ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म होता, ऑल लेवल ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म में होता। ओके। फ्रॉम माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स विद इन सेल टू बायोम्स में। ओके। बायोडाइवर्सिटी इज टर्म पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय द सोशलिस्ट एडवर्ड विल्सन। कौन? एडवर्ड विल्सन। टू describe the combined diversity at all the level of biological organism। एडवर्ड विल्सन all the level of biological organism diversity को define किया। First, genetic diversity, a single species might show high diversity at the genetic level over its distributed range. The genetic variations known by the medicinal plant Rolfi vomisteria growing in the different in Himalaya region। हाँ, कहाँ पे Rolfi vomisteria कहाँ ग्रो होता है? हिमालय रीजन में। Might be term of the potency and the concentration of the effect chemical respirin that the plant produce। Active chemical respirin that the plant produce। India has more than 15,000 genetically different strain of rice and 1,000 variety of mango होता है। ये genetic diversity में क्या होना? A single species might show high diversity at the genetic level over the distributed range। Okay। दूसरा क्या? species level, the diversity at the species level। For example, the Eastern Ghats have greater amphibians species diversity than the Eastern Ghat। Okay। उसका ecology diversity at the ecosystem level, कहाँ पे? ecology diversity at the ecosystem level। India, for instance, within the desert, rainforest, mangroves, coral reef, wetland, Studesia and Alpina Midcoast has a greater ecosystem diversity than Sweden country like Norway. इसमें इकोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी में क्या बोला, एट द इकोसिस्टम लेवल, इकोसिस्टम लेवल पे इंडिया फॉर इंस्टेंट विथ इन डिजर्ट होता है, रेन फॉरेस्ट होता है, मैनग्रूव्स होता है, कोरल रीफ होता है, वीटलैंड होता है, स्ट्रिचिया होता है एंड एल्फिलिया मिडवेस होता है। ग्रेटर डाइवर्सिटी होता है किस देन अ सैंडविन कंट्री लाइक नॉर्वे से। ओके, इट हैज टेक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर ऑफ evolution to accumulate this rich diversity in nature। हाँ, millions of yearly evolution का to accumulate this rich diversity in nature, but we could lose all that wealth in less than 2 century। less than कितना, 2 century if the present rate of species lose continued। Okay, biodiversity and its concentration are no vital environment issue of international concern as more and more people around the world begin to realize the critical importance of biodiversity for our survival and well-being on the planet। Okay, how many species are there on earth and how many in India? Since there are published record of all the species discovered and named, we know how many species in all have been recorded so far, but it is not easy to answer the question of how many species there are on earth। According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource IUCN, क्या है इसका फुल फॉर्म, इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्स IUCN 2004, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पेसीज ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल स्पेसीज डिस्क्राइब सो फार इज स्लाइटली more than the 1.5 million, but we have no clear idea for how many species are yet to be discovered and are described। Okay, estimate vary widely and many of them are only educated guess। हाँ, कैसा, estimated vary widely, estimate बहुत vary कर रहा widely and many of them are only educated guess कर रहा। Okay, for many taxonomic group species inventory are more complete in the temperature than in tropical countries। यहाँ पे क्या बोला, for many taxonomic group के लिए species inventory are more complete in temperate than in tropical country। यहाँ पे क्या बोला, many taxonomic group के लिए species inventory are more in temperate than in tropical countries। Okay, considering that an overwhelming large portion of the species waiting to be discovered are in the tropics biology make a statistical comparison of temperate tropical species richness of an executive study group of insect and extrapolate this ratio to other group of animal and plant to become up with a gross estimate of the total number of species on earth। Some extreme estimated range from 20 to 50 million, कितना, 20 से 50 million, but a more conservative and scientifically sound estimated made by Robert May place global species diversity at about 7 million। Let us look some interesting aspect about the earth biodiversity based on the currently available species inventory. More than 70% of the all species around are species recorded are animal, while plant included algae, fungi, biophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm comprises no more than 22% of total। Among animal, insect are the most species rich taxonomic group। हाँ, among animal में insect are the most species rich taxonomic group making up more than 70% of the total। Okay, that means out of every 10 animal on the planet 7 are insect। Again, how do you explain this enormous diversification of insects? The number of fungi species in the world is more than the combined total species of fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. अरे वाह, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? The number of fungi species in the world is more than the combined total of the species of fish, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Okay. In figure 13, biodiversity is displayed showing a species number of major taxa. इनवर्टिब्रेटम क्या होता? इंसेक्ट, फिर अदर इंसेक्ट, फिर अदर स्पेसीज, फिर मोलिस्का, फिर क्रिस्टिकेनिया. और वर्टिब्रेटम क्या होता है? एफ बी राम. ओके, मतलब एफ से फिश, बी से मेमल्स, आर से रेप्टाइल्स, ए से एम्फीबियन, एम से मेमल. ओके. और प्लांट में सबसे ज़्यादा एंजियोस्पर्म, उसके बाद फंगी, उसके बाद ए मोस्ट, मतलब एस एल्गी, मोस्ट से मोसेस, मोस्ट फेमस से फर्स्ट, एन एल्गी, एंड लिंच से लिंच. ओके. It should be noted that these estimated not give any figure for prokaryotic. Yes, हाँ, prokaryotic के लिए कोई डाटा नहीं था. It should be noted that the species estimated do not give any figure for prokaryotic. Biologists are not श्योर हाउ मेनी प्रोकार्योटिक स्पेसीज देयर माइट बी. हाँ, बायोलॉजिस्ट श्योर नहीं था कितना प्रोकार्योटिक स्पेसीज है, इसी के लिए उसका वो एस्टिमेट नहीं किया. ओके. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कन्वेंशनली टेक्सोनोमिक मेथड आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग माइक्रोबल स्पेसीज. कौन? माइक्रोबल स्पेसीज. एंड मेनी स्पेसीज आर सिंपली नॉट कल्चरेबल अंडर द लेबोरेटरी कंडीशन. हाँ, यहाँ पे द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कन्वेंशनली टेक्सोनोमिक मेथड आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर आइडेंटिफाई माइक्रोबल स्पेसीज एंड मेनी स्पेसीज आर सिंपली नॉट कल्चर अंडर द लेबोरेटरी कंडीशन. हाँ, मेनी का बात किया यहाँ पे, मेनी स्पेसीज. ओके. इफ वी एक्सेप्ट बायोलॉजिकल और मोलिकुलर क्राइटेरिया फॉर डिक्लाइन स्पेसीज फॉर दिस ग्रुप, then their diversity alone might run into the millions. Okay. Although India has only 2.4% of the world land area, its share of the global species diversity is an impressive 8.1%. This is what make our country one of the 12 mega biodiversity country of the world. हाँ, हमारा कंट्री वन ऑफ द 12th है बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड का. ओके. इंडिया कितना बचा? 8 है. इंडिया के बाद नेपाल आता है. ओके. नियरली 45% स्पेसीज ऑफ प्लांट एंड ट्वाइस एज मेनी स्पेसीज ऑफ एनिमल हैव बीन रिकॉर्डेड फ्रॉम इंडिया. इंडिया से कितना रिकॉर्ड किया? 45,000 species of plant and twice of many animal have been recorded from India. Okay. How many living species are actually there waiting to be discovered and named? If we accept May global, Robert May global estimated only 22% of the total species have been recorded so far. कितना? Only 22% of the total species have been recorded so far. Okay. बाप रे बाप. Applying this portion to India diversity figure, we estimated there are probably more than 1 lakh species of plant and more than 3 lakh species of animal yet to be discovered. अभी तक डिस्कवर होने के लिए बाकी है. ओके. ग्लोबल का एस्टिमेटेड था कि 22% ही सिर्फ खोजे. इंडिया में एस्टिमेट किया तो सिर्फ अभी 1 लाख स्पेसीज ऑफ प्लांट होना बाकी है और 3 लाख स्पेसीज ऑफ प्लांट का डिस्कवर होना बाकी है. ओके. वुड वी एवर बी एबल टू कंप्लीट द इन्वेंट्री ऑफ द बायोलॉजिकल वेल्थ ऑफ आवर कंट्री considering the immense trained manpower, taxonomists, and the time required to complete the job? The situation appears more hopeless when we realize that a large fraction of the species face the threat of become existent even before we discover them. Nature biological library is born even before we catalog the title of all the books of there. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Natural biological library born even before we cataloged the title of all the book stock there. Okay. Pattern of biodiversity, latitudinal gradient. क्या है? latitudinal हाँ gradient. The diversity of plant and animal is not uniform throughout the world but show a rather uneven distribution. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Diversity of plant and animal is not uniform throughout the world. हाँ सही बात है, यूनिफॉर्म नहीं प्लांट एंड एनिमल का बायोडाइवर्सिटी थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड बट शो ए रादर अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. कैसे करता है? अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन शो करता है. ओके. For many group of animal or plant there are interesting pattern in diversity. The most well known being the latitudinal gradient in the diversity. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? For many group of animal or plant there are interesting pattern in diversity. The most well known being the latitudinal gradient in diversity. In general, species diversity decrease as we move away from equator toward the pole. हाँ, इक्वेटर से पोल की ओर जाएंगे तो डाइवर्सिटी कम होगा. ओके. विथ वेरी फ्यू एक्सेप्शन, कुछ एक्सेप्शन में भी इक्वेटर से पोल कर विथ वेरी फ्यू एक्सेप्शन. ट्रॉपिक लेटिट्यूडनल रेंज 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. However, more species than a temperate or polar area. Tropic herbarier more species than a temperate polar species. हाँ, temperate. ट्रॉपिक में एक्सेप्शन है, टेम्परेट में ज़्यादा स्पेसीज होता है देन द किसमें देन द पोलर ट्रॉपिक में ज़्यादा स्पेसीज होता है देन टेम्परेट और पोलर एरियाज. ओके. कोलंबिया लोकेटेड नियर द इक्वेटर. यहाँ पे कोलंबिया नियर द इक्वेटर हैज़ नियरली 14 स्पेसीज ऑफ बर्ड, वाइल न्यूयॉर्क 41 डिग्री नॉर्थ हैज़ 105 स्पेसीज एंड ग्रीनलैंड हैज़ 71 डिग्री ओनली 15 स्पेसीज होता. ओके. यहाँ 56 स्पेसीज था. इंडिया विथ मच ऑफ इट्स लैंड एरिया आर इन ट्रॉपिकल लेटीट्यूड. दे आर मोर देन 1200 स्पेसीज ऑफ बर्ड होता है. किसमें? इंडिया विथ मच ऑफ द लैंड, मच ऑफ द लैंड. हाँ, इंडिया का मच ऑफ द लैंड आर इन द ट्रॉपिकल लेटीट्यूड में था. इसमें ट्रॉपिकल लेटीट्यूड में था. हैज मोर देन 1200 स्पेसीज ऑफ बर्ड होता है. कितना? 1200 स्पेसीज ऑफ बर्ड होता. ओके. ए फॉरेस्ट इन द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन लाइक इक्वाडोरियर हैज अप टू 10 टाइम एज मेनी स्पेसीज ऑफ वस्कुलर प्लांट एज द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इक्वल एरिया इन द टेम्परेट रीजन लाइक मिडवेस्ट ऑफ USA. ओके. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला देखो. ए फॉरेस्ट इन द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन like Ecuadoria has up to 10 times as many species. 10 टाइम 10 गुना ज़्यादा स्पेसीज होता है ऑफ वस्कुलर प्लांट. इसका ऑफ वस्कुलर प्लांट एज द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इक्वल एरिया इन द टेम्परेट रीजन लाइक इन मिडवेस्ट ऑफ US. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? ए फॉरेस्ट इन ट्रॉपिकल रीजन लाइक इक्वेडोरिया हैज 10 टाइम मेनी स्पेसीज ऑफ वस्कुलर प्लांट हैज फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इक्वल एरिया in the temperate region like Midwest of USA. The largely tropical Amazon होता. हाँ, Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट कहाँ होता है? ट्रॉपिकल में. Tropical Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट in the South America has the greatest biodiversity on the earth. क्या होता है? greatest biodiversity on it home more than 14,000 species of plant. बाप रे. किसमें? Amazon रेन फॉरेस्ट में 40,000 स्पेसीज ऑफ प्लांट होता एंड 3 1000 स्पेसीज ऑफ फिश होता, 1300 बर्ड होता और 427 मेमल्स होता और 487 एम्फीबियंस होता, 378 क्या होता रेप्टाइल्स एंड मोर देन 1,25,000 इन्वर्टिब्रेट होता। ओके, साइंटिस्ट एस्टिमेटेड दैट these rainforest there might be at least 2 million insect species waiting to be discovered and named। किसमें? Scientists have estimated that the rainforest there might be least 2 million insect species waiting to be discovered and named। 2 million species of हाँ। Scientists estimated that in this rainforest there might be at least 2 million, बाप रे 20 लाख, 2 million insect species are waiting to discover। किसमें? and rain forest। ओके, what is so special about tropics that might account for a greater biological diversity? हाँ, what is special, क्या special है in the tropics that might account for the greater biodiversity, greater biological diversity? Ecologists and evolutionary biologists have proposed various hypotheses. Some important one: specification is generally a function of time. Unlike temperate regions subjected to frequent glaciation in the past, tropical latitude have remained relatively undistributed for millions of years, and this had a long evolutionary time for species diversity. A tropical environment like temperate ones are less seasonal, relatively more constant and predictable. Such constant environment promote niche specification and lead to a greater specific diversity. Okay, C. There is more solar energy available in tropical, which contribute to the higher productivity. In this turn might contribute indirectly to a greater diversity. Okay, species area relationship. During his pioneering and existence exploring in the wilderness of South American jungle, the greater German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt observed that within the region देखो एक बार फिर से पढ़ो, स्पेसीज एरिया रिलेशनशिप। ड्यूरिंग हिज pioneering and extensive exploring in the wilderness of South African jungle, the greatest German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt observed that within a region, species richness increase with increasing the exploring area, but only up to a limit. Only up to a limit. In fact, the relation between species richness and area for a wide variety of taxa, angiosperm plant, birds, bats, freshwater fish turn out to be rectangular hyperbola. Okay, कौन angiosperm plant, birds, bat, freshwater fish turn out to be a rectangular hyperbola. A logarithm scale relationship is a straight line described by equation log s equal to log c equal to z log a. s क्या यहाँ पे स्पेसीज रिचनेस, a क्या है एरिया है, z क्या स्लोप ऑफ लाइन है, रिग्रेशन कोफिशिएंट है और s क्या इंटरसेप्शन है. ओके, ecology has discovered that the value of z lie in the range of 0.1 to 0.2 regardless of the taxonomic group or the region. regardless of the taxonomic group or the region, whether it is a plant in Britain, bird in California or mollusca in New York State, the slope of the regression line are amazingly similar. But If we analyze the species area relationship among a very large area like entire continent, we will find that the slope of line be much steeper. इतना much steeper हो जाता है. That value range into the 0.6 to 1.2, 6 गुना ज़्यादा हो जाता. Okay. For example, for Fugurovirus fruit-eating birds and mammals and tropical forest. Mammals in tropical forest, किसमें tropical forest of different continent, the slope is found to be 1.15. What would steeper slope means in this context? Okay, steeper मतलब ऐसे, इसे थोड़ा ऐसे, हाँ वही बोलते steeper. Okay, देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है. Showing a species area relationship, note that on log and ऐसा, ये क्या है इससे, हाँ और ये logarithm स्केल है. ओके हाँ समझ गए. ओके आगे बढ़ो. Importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. ये कौन दिया था? डेविड विलियम. ओके. Does the number of species in a community really matter to the functioning of the ecosystem? Yes. This is a question for which ecologists have not been able to give a definitive answer. For many decades, ecologists believe that community with more species generally tends to be more stable than those in less species. What exactly is the stability for a biological community? A stable community should not show too much variation in productivity from year to year. हाँ यही था इकोलॉजिस्ट का मतलब. A stable community should not show too much variation in productivity from year to year. It must be either resistant or resilient to the occasional distribution, natural or man-made, and it must also be resistant to the invasion by alien species. Okay. We don't know how these attributes are linked to the species richness in a community, but David Tillman's long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plot provides some tentative answer. डेविड टेलमैन जो था ना लॉन्ग टर्म इकोसिस्टम एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था यूजिंग आउटडोर प्लॉट provide some tentative answer. Okay, Tillman found that plot with more species showed less year to year variation in total biomass. ठीक है, पहला क्या गया? Tillman found that plot with more species, जैसे more species, less year to year variation in the total biomass. He also showed that in his experiment increased biodiversity contribute to the higher productivity. और क्या किया? Increased diversity contribute to the higher productivity. Okay. Although we may not understanding completely how a species richness contribute to the well-being of an ecosystem, we know enough to realize that rich biodiversity is not only essential for the ecosystem health but imperative for the survival of human race on the planet. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Although we may not understand completely how a species richness contribute to the well-being of an ecosystem, we know enough to realize that rich biodiversity is not only essential for ecosystem health but imperative for this very survival for the human race on planet. At a time when we are losing a species at an alarming pace, one might ask, does it really matter us if few species become extinct? Would Western Ghat ecosystem be less functional if its tree frog species is lost forever? हाँ क्या बोला? Would Western Ghat ecosystem be less functional if one of the tree frog species is lost forever? How is our quality of life state if, say, instead of 20,000, we have only 50,000 species of ant on Earth. There are no direct answer to this such massive question, but we can develop a proper perspective through an analogy. The Ribert-Popper hypothesis used by Stanford ecologist Paul Ehrlich. In an airplane ecosystem, all parts are joined together using thousands of Ribert species. Ribert मतलब species. If every passenger traveling in this part popping a rabbit to take home, causing a species to become existence, it may not affect flight safely, proper functioning of the ecosystem initially, but as more and more rivets are removed, the plane becomes dangerously weak over a period of time. Furthermore, which rivet is removed may also be critical. Loss of rivet on the wing key species. Wing को कैसा बताया गया था? Key species that drive major ecosystem function is obviously a more serious threat to flight safely than loss of few rivet on the seats or window inside the plane. Loss of biodiversity. While it is doubtful if any species are being added through a specification into the Earth's territory of a species, there is no doubt about their containing loss. क्या बोला यहाँ पे? While it is doubtful if any new species are being added through a specification into the Earth's territory of a species, there is no doubt about their containing loss. The biological wealth of our planet has been declining rapidly, and the assuming finger clearly pointing to the human activity. यहाँ पे क्या है? बायोलॉजिकल वेल्थ ऑफ आवर प्लानेट हैज बीन डिक्लाइन कर रहा है रेपिडली, बहुत तेजी से, एंड अब्यूजिंग फिंगर इज क्लियरली पॉइंटिंग टू द ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. द colonization of the tropical Pacific island by human is said to be lead to the existence of more than 22,000 species of native bird. जब colonization किया ना tropical Pacific island में by human is said to be have lead to the existence of more than 2,000 species of native bird. IUCN Red List 2004 document existence of 784 species, including 338 vertebrata and 359 invertebrata, 87 plant in the last 500 years. IUCN Red List था 2004 document the existence of 784 species, including 338 vertebrata, 359 invertebrata, 87 plant in last 500. Some example of recent existence include dodo merythrotis, जगह का नाम था, क्वागा अफ्रीका, थैलेसीनिया स्टेरिया, सेटलर सिको रसिया, and 3 subspecies of Bali जामन कैस्परियन of tiger. The last 20 साल में alone have witnessed the disappearance of 27 species. लास्ट 20 साल में कितना डिसअपियर हो गया? 27 species. Carefully analyze of the record so that the existing across taxa are not random. Not random. क्या था? Not random है. Okay. Some group like amphibians appear to be more vulnerable to the existence. Some group like amphibians appear to be more vulnerable existence, adding to the green scenario of existence. In fact, that more than 50,500 वर्ल्ड वाइड आर फेसिंग टू थ्रेटन ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस। जब ग्रीन सिनेरियो करेंगे ना एग्जिस्टेंस, इनफैक्ट देन मोर देन 15,500 स्पेसीज वर्ल्ड वाइड आर फेसिंग द थ्रेटन ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस। Presently, 12% of the all bird species, 23% of all mammals species, 33% of all amphibians species, and 31% of all angiosperm species in the world face to threaten existence. From a study of the history of life on Earth through fossil record, we have learned that large-scale loss of species like one we are currently witness have also happened earlier, even before human appear on the scene during long period greater than 3 billion year ago. Since the origin and diversification of life on Earth were 5 episodes of mass existence of species. How is 6 existence apparently progressive different from the previous episode? The difference in the rate, क्या difference है? Rate में difference है. The current specific existence rate are estimated to be 100 to 1000 times faster than the pre-human times, and our activity are responsible for this faster rate. हमारा इंसान का activity responsible है इसके लिए. Ecologists warn that if present trends continue, nearly half of all species, half of all species on Earth might weaken within the next 100 years. बाप रे बाप. Ecologists जो है ना वार्न कर लिया हम लोग को that if the present trend continue, nearly half of all the species, half of all the species on Earth might whipped हो जाएगा, whipped out within the next 100 years. Okay. In general, loss of biodiversity in a region may lead to the decline in the plant productivity, lower resistance to the environment perturbation such as drought, and increased variability in certain ecosystem. Increase क्या करेगा? Variability in certain ecosystem process such as plant productivity. Increase variability in certain ecosystem process such as plant productivity, water use, pest and disease cycle. Okay. Cause of biodiversity loss. The accelerated rate of species existence that world is facing now are largely due to the human activity. किसके लिए? Human activity से. There are the 4 major causes. Evil quadra is a solvent used to describe them. Evil quadra is solvent is used to describe them. Okay. Habitat loss and fragmentation. This is the most important cause driving animal and plant to be existent. दोनों plant and animal दोनों existent होता है इससे. The most dramatic example of habitat loss comes from the tropical rainforest. कहाँ से आता है? Most dramatic example of habitat loss comes from a tropical rainforest. Once covering more than 40% of the Earth's land surface, these rainforests now cover no more than 6%. They are being destroying fast. By the time you finish reading this chapter, 1000 more hectares of rainforest would have been lost. बाप रे, 1000. The Amazon rainforest, it is a use that is called the lungs of the planet. Here probably millions of species is being cut and cleared for cultivation of soybean and for the conservation of grassland for converging to grassland for raising beef cattle. Besides total loss, the degradation of many habitat by pollution also threatens the survival of many species. When large habitats are broken into the small fragments due to the various human activity, mammals, birds required to large territories and certain animals with migratory habitat are badly affected, leading to the population decline. देखो यहाँ पे क्या, besides total loss, the degradation of many habitat by population also threaten the survival of many species. Okay, हो गया. हाँ, आगे बढ़ो. Over exploitation. Humans have also human have always depend on nature for food and shelter, but when need turn to greed मतलब लालच, it lead to over exploitation of natural resource. Many species existed in last 500 years. Settler seacow and passenger pigeon were due to the over exploitation by human. Presently many marine fish presently अभी का बात हो रहा presently many marine fish population around the world are over harvested, कितना over harvested, endangering the continued existence of some commercial important species. Okay. Alien species invasion. When alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately for whatever purpose, some of them turn invasion, some all नहीं, some of them invasion and cause decline or existence of the indigenous species. ओके क्या इंडिजीनियस स्पेसीज मतलब इंडिजिनस में वहाँ का लोकल स्पेसीज इंडिजीनियस स्पेसीज. द नील पिर्च इंट्रोड्यूस इनटू द लेक विक्टोरिया इन ईस्ट अफ्रीका, कहाँ ईस्ट अफ्रीका में, लीड टू द इवेंचुअली टू द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एन इकोलॉजिकल यूनिक असेंबली ऑफ द मोर देन 200 स्पेसीज ऑफ chilled fish in the lake. You must have familiar with the environment and damage caused by threat poses to our native species by invasion with species like carrot grass, Parthenium, and Lantheria and water haginated Ictoria. The recent illegal introduce of African catfish Caleraceus gariepinus for aquaculture. For what aquaculture purpose is posing threatening the indigenous catfish of in our river. Okay. Coexistence. When a species become existence, the plant and animal species associated with an obligate may also become existence. When a host fish species become existence, its unique assembly of parasite also meet the same fate. Another example is the case of covert plant pollination or mutualism, where existence of one variably lead to the existence of other. Biodiversity conservation. Why should we conserve biodiversity? There are many reasons, some obvious and other not so obvious, but all equally important. They can be grouped into the three categories: narrow utilization, broad utilization, and ethical. Okay. The narrow utilization aggregate for conserving biodiversity are obviously human drives countless direct economic benefit from nature food, cereal, pulse, fruit, firewood, fibers, and concentrate material, industrial product, tannin, lubricant, dye, resin, perfume. Industrial product में कौन कौन आया? Tennis, lubricant, dye, resin, perfume, and product for medicinal importance. More than 25% of the drug currently sold in the market worldwide are derived from the 25,000 species of plant contributed to the traditional medicine used by the native people around the world. Nobody knows how many more medicinal useful plants there are in tropical rainforest waiting to be explored. With increasing resource put into bioprospecting or exploring molecular, genetic, and species level diversity for product of economic importance. National embodied with rich biodiversity can expect to recap enormous benefit. Okay. Broad utilization. Aggregants say that biodiversity play a major role in many ecosystem service that nature provide. Broad utilization aggregant say that biodiversity play major role in many ecosystem service that nature provide. The fast Devending Amazon forest is estimated to produce through photosynthesis 20% of the total oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. Can we put economic value on this service by nature? You can get some idea by finding out how much your neighborhood hospital spend on a cylinder of oxygen. Pollination, without which plant cannot give us fruit or seed. Okay, is another service ecosystem provide through pollinator layer, bees, bumbles, birds and bats. Bee, bumbles, birds and birds. With what will be the cost of ecoplasmic pollination without help from the natural pollinator? There are other intangible benefit. There are other intangible benefit that we derive from the nature. The aesthetic pleasure of walking through the thick woods, watching spring flower in full bloom, or walking to bulbul song in the morning. Can you put price in such thing? And this is a ethical agreement for conserving biodiversity related to what we own to millions of plant, animals and microbe species. Okay, whom we share this plant. Philosophically or spiritually, we need to realize that every species has intrinsic value. Every species has intrinsic value, even if it not be current or any economic value to us. We have moral duty. हमारा moral duty. We have moral duty to care for this well-being and passes on our biological legacy to in the good order for future generation. देखो ethical में क्या बोला? Agreement for conserving biodiversity related to what we own millions of plant, animal and microbe species with whom we share this plant. Philosophically or spiritually, we need to realize that every species has an intrinsic value, even if they may not be current or any economic value to us. We have moral duty to take care of well-being and passes biological यहाँ पे biological legacy to good order of future generation. ये तो बहुत important है, यहाँ क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा. How do we conserve biodiversity? When we conserve and protect the whole ecosystem, इतना whole ecosystem, its biodiversity at all level is protected. We save the entire forest to save the tiger. हाँ, this approach is called the in situ, मतलब on site, साइटो कर लो conservation. However, when there are a situation where an animal or plant is endangered or threatened, organism facing a very high risk to existence in the wild in the near future and need urgent measure to save it from existence, ex situ offspring conservative desirable approach. Okay, in situ conservation. Faced with the conflict between development and conservation, many nations find it unrealistic and economically not feasible to conserve all their biological wealth. Invariably, the number of species waiting to be saved from existence far exceeds the conservation resource available. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Invariably, the number of species waiting to be saved from existence far exceeds, बहुत ज़्यादा far exceeds the conservation resource available. Conservation resource available on a global basis पे the problem has been addressed by eminent conservationists. They identify for maximum protection certain biodiversity hotspot region with a very high level of species richness and high degree of endemism, that is a species confined to the region and not found anywhere else. Initially 25 biodiversity hotspots identified, but subsequently 9 more have been added to the list, bringing the total number of biodiversity hotspots in the world 34. These hotspots are also region of accelerate habitat loss. Accelerate habitat loss. Three of these hotspots, Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, Indumam, Burma, and Himalaya cover our country exceptionally high biodiversity. Exceptionally high biodiversity region. Although all the biodiversity hotspots put together cover less than 2% of the Earth land area, the number of species these collectively have is extremely high, and strict protection of these hotspots could reduce the ongoing mass existence of almost 30%. That's 30%. In India, ecologically unique and biodiversity rich region. In India, ecological unique and biodiversity rich region are legally protected as biosphere reserve. National park, bioreserve, national park, sanctuary. India has no 14 biosphere reserve, 19 national park, 448 wild sanctuary. India has also a history of religious and cultural traditional and emphasizing protection of nature. In many cultures, tract of forest were set aside, and all the tree and wildlife within were benefited and give total protection, called such as Scrip Group, and found in Kashi and Jantna. Scrip Group found are Kashi and Jantna hill in Madhya Pradesh. Meghalaya. Kashi and Jantna found in Meghalaya. Arrivals hills of Rajasthan, Western Ghat region of Karnataka, and Maharashtra, and the Sarakucha, Chandna and Bastara area of Madhya Pradesh. In Meghalaya, the Scrip Group are last refuge for a large number of rare and threatened plants. Ex situ conservation. In this approach, threatened animal and plant are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in a special setting where they can be protected and given a special care. Zoological park, botanical garden, wildlife safari park serve this purpose. कौन? Zoological park, botanical garden and wildlife safari park. There are many animals that have become extant in the wild but continue to be maintained in zoological park. इसमें zoological park में बहुत सारा एनिमल जो कि एग्जिस्ट कर गया इन द वाइल्ड बट कंटिन्यू मेंटेन इन द zoological park में. ओके. इन रिसेंट ईयर ex situ conservation has advanced beyond keeping the threatened species in enclosure. हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या बोला? In ex situ conservation has advanced beyond keeping threatened species in closure. Okay. No gametes of threatened species can be preserved in valuable and fertile condition for long period using cryopreservative techniques. यहाँ पे क्या बोला? No gametes of threatened species, जो कि threatened species can be preserved in valuable and fertile condition for long period using cryopreservation technique. Eggs can be fertile in the vitro. किसमें? vitro में, मतलब outside. And plant can be propagated using tissue culture method. और क्या है? tissue culture method. Seeds of different genetic strain are commercially important. Plant can be kept for long period in the seed bank. हाँ. Seed of different genetic strain of commercially important plant can be kept for long period of seed bank. Biodiversity no political boundaries, and this conservative is therefore a collectively responsibility of all nations. The historic convention of biological diversity, the Earth Summit, held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992, called upon all nations to take appropriate measure for the conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefit. In its flow of the World Summit on Sustainable Development held in 2000 in Johannesburg in South Africa, 119 countries pledged their community to achieve by 2010 a significant reduction in the current rate of biodiversity loss at global, regional and local level. अर्थ समिट में क्या था, क्या लोग लिया था, ऑल नेशन टू टेक अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर फॉर द कंजर्वेटिव डाइवर्सिटी एंड सस्टेनेबल यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ इट्स बेनिफिट। हो गया। हाँ। Since life originated on Earth nearly 3.8 million years ago, biodiversity refers to the sum of total diversity that exists at all levels of biological organization. Conservation efforts are aimed at protection diversity at all these levels. More than 1.5 billion species have been recorded in the world, but there might still nearly 6 million species on the earth waiting to be discovered and named. Tropics are more specific time. Nearly 700 species have become existent in recent time, and more than 15,500 species, of which greater than 650 are from India, are currently faced to threaten existence. The cause of high existence rate are present, including habitat, particularly forest loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, biological invasion, and coexistence. Besides direct benefit, food, fibers, firewoods, and pharmaceutical, etc., there are many indirect benefits we receive through the ecosystem services such as pollination, pest control, climate moderation, and food control. Ex situ conservation methods include protection of threatened species in zoological park, botanical garden, vitro fertilization, tissue culture propagation, and preservation of gametes or example complete.